Facebook provides you with a ton of data that you can use to make sure your ads are performing efficiently. Let's take a look at some of the stats. The sort of statistics you can get are similar to those provided by Google Analytics, but in much greater detail. Let's look at some of the different metrics. First of all, you'll want to log into Ads Manager or Power Editor. You'll be able to access a number of different statistics. First of all, there's the performance, and this is the results, reach, cost, budget, amount spent, and schedule. Then there's delivery, the reach, frequency, cost per 1,000 people reached, impressions, CPM, that's cost per 1,000 impressions, and this is if you're doing CPM rather than PPC. Then you've got engagement. This is people taking action, post likes, post comments, post shares, link clicks, and page likes. Then there's video engagement if you're running a video ad. And these cover impressions, video views, cost per video view, 10-second video views, cost per 10-second video view, reach, amount spent, average percent of video viewed, video views to 25, 50, 75, 95 and 100%. And this can help you to perhaps tweak your video ad to get people to watch it longer and to see it right through to the end. So you'll know when there's a point when people are starting to lose interest in your video and are clicking away, and you can go back and perhaps re-edit your video to change that and make it more effective. Then there's app engagement, and this covers mobile app installs, mobile app actions, cost per mobile app install, cost per mobile app action, app installs, app engagements, cost per app install, cost per app engagement, post likes, post comments, and post shares. Then there's carousel engagement if you're running a carousel ad. Bear in mind, not all of these statistics that we're going to go through here are going to apply to every single type of ad. So this is to do with carousel ads and carousel engagement, and that includes the reach, frequency, impressions, clicks, unique clicks, CTR, unique CTR, amount spent, CPM, that's cost per 1,000 impressions if you're going that way, cost per 1,000 people reached, cost per click, cost per unique click, actions, people taking action, link clicks, CTR, mobile app installs, leads and conversions, key web page views and conversions, other website conversions, registrations, conversions, adds to cart, checkout, cost per mobile app install, cost per lead, cost per key page view, cost per other website conversion, cost per registration, cost per add to cart, and cost per checkout. Then there's performance and clicks. You can track the results, reach, frequency, cost, amount spent, ends, all the clicks, click-through ratio, cost per click, impression, CPM, link clicks, CPC per link, CTR per link. Then cross-device, you've got website actions, all of them, mobile app installs, website action value, cost per website action, cost per mobile app install. And you can also customize the statistics that you want. And you can customize any number of sets of columns and save them however you wish to label or identify them. And each custom column set can include any combinations of metrics related to performance, engagements, videos, website, apps, events, clicks, and settings. You can also take a look in the breakdown column, and you can break down campaign data by delivery, action and time. Now, there are more stats too, but I think that's enough to get you started. Now, at this point, you might be on information overload and not know what to do with all this data. It's best to download all this information to your computer and to save it. And then you can open it up as a spreadsheet. And you want to use this information in conjunction with split testing to see which ad version is performing best, see which audience segment you're targeting most effectively, and to tweak your campaigns to make sure you're getting the best value for your ad spend. You can adjust all sorts of metrics in a Facebook ad campaign. Quite frankly, it's mind-blowing. So ideally, you want to adjust your campaigns so that, first of all, you're paying the lowest CPC or CPM for each keyword or audience segment, while still getting the maximum ROI. And it's a job that's never completed because there are always new ways of improving your campaigns and making them better. There are a number of third-party tools out there that can help you to analyze and make better sense of all the Facebook statistics. I've got a few of them to show you here. Some are free, some you have to pay for, but they're all worth checking out. The first one is Likealyzer, which you can find here at likealyzer.com. And this is for analyzing and monitoring the effectiveness of Facebook pages, which of course does tie into your advertising. As it says, it helps you measure and analyze the potential effectiveness of your Facebook pages. So if you're using your Facebook ad to generate likes, then obviously you want to make sure that your Facebook page is up to scratch. And as you can see here, they do complete analytics, instant review pages, statistics, and this is actually a free tool. Then there's Simply Measured, which is simplymeasured.com. Then there's Sociograph, which is sociograph.io, and this is analytics for Facebook groups and for pages. And then there's Fanpage Karma, which is fanpagekarma.com, and again they will analyze all the different reports from not just Facebook but from all sorts of other social media. So there you go, just a few ways that you can analyze how your Facebook ads, Facebook pages, and indeed your social media as a whole is performing.